We can't blame children to not knowing this because the school syllabuses don't cover all this. K, k. Both letters give the sound of k. So here are the rule where the C will come or K will come. So C comes before the sound of A, O, U or consonants such as k at cat, k up cup, k ap cap or k lap clap. And now the K comes before the sound with I and E. The K letter comes before with the sound of I and E such as kite, kite, kid, kid, kiwi, kettle. Hope it will be easy for your child to learn and knowing more about phonics.